Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your English class. In our last class, we learned about indefinite articles a and an. Today, we will learn about definite article the. Kids, the is known as definite article because it is used before a noun to define it as something specific or unique. Article the can be used before both singular and plural nouns only when the noun is specific. Article the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. When we categorize that person or thing. For example, the teacher who teaches us English comes from Rakkad colony. So, here we are talking about the particular teacher who teaches us English, not any other teacher. Sometimes, when we talk about something for the first time, we use the articles a or an. But when we talk about it again, when we talk again about that same thing, we use the. For example, an old woman was crossing the road. The old woman fell down. Here we used the for the woman because we were talking about her second time. We were talking about the same woman. One another example. We went to a restaurant yesterday. The restaurant is famous for Chinese food. Here we used the for the restaurant second time because we are talking about that specific restaurant again. Next, the is also used with special names of buildings such as the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. The is also used before the names of oceans, rivers, and seas. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Sea, or the Kaveri, the Ganges. The is also used before the names of mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas. It is also used before the names of newspapers. For example, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Tribune, etc. The is also used before the names of the specific books. For example, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Next, the is also used before the names of things which are unique, which are only one of its kind in universe. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, etc. The is also used before superlative degree. For example, the best, the youngest, the tallest. The is also used before a proper adjective when people or nation is understood. For example, the English, the French, the Indians. Here, the English means the people of England. French means people of France. And the Indians means people of India. Dear kids, the is generally not used. Remember, not used in some cases. For example, the name, it is not used before the name of a town, city, or village. The is not used before the name of a continent. We don't say the Asia. It is not used before the name of a country. The is not used before the name of a lake. The is also not used before the name of a single mountain. It is only used with the name of the mountain ranges. The is also not used before human beings' names. We don't say the Pooja, the Victoria, the George. So, kids, today we learned about some uses of the and also learned where we should not use the. That was all for today. Bye bye, kids.